Okay, let's get over here.
Of course, I may be running.
Back up. There's the bee wall. Here's the entrance. I don't see anybody home. I bet they're going to be home here in a minute.
Man, out of that hot. Stop it. You got that sugar water yet?
The only water I found was some vitamin water.
There's a squirt bottle in there somewhere.
I looked in the back and we found
The back seat on the side. I'm not in the back of the car on the side. They were attached to the front a little bit there. It's too bad. Well, you see, they get a little feisty. But these guys here, I mean, you know, they know who's after them, obviously, but they're not stinging. They'll stick their butts in you when they get pissed off enough to sting. Yeah, start to peter out a little bit there.
What does that do?
Just sugar water, they'll start cleaning themselves, cleaning it off of them, eating, and it'll calm them down. It goes on the door there a little bit. So we got that bananas on.
What does that mean?
It means they're pissed.
When it smells like bananas, the bees are pissed, huh?
That's when you get a strong banana smell. Usually that's when you should walk away if you just work in a regular hive. But this here, you just keep going.
Is that comb edible?
Yeah, but when it's dark like that, it's not real good. We'll take the honey out of it. I'll get you some honey out of it. What I do is I crush it and then strain it. Just the part that's honey, I don't have the buckets in the cars.
What part of the hive is the queen located?
Anywhere. She's usually where the brood are. Let's get this other board off and we'll be able to see it.
How many minutes can your camera go?
Oh, I don't know. It's been a while. Yeah, it's over there. You go to that hive tool?
Sure.
The red pry bar there. That way I don't come over there and they get you. Go get the bucket, right? This one on the inside of it there, if you look at it, you can see a little bit of shiny stuff. That's the nectar that they brought in that they haven't dried yet. If you turn it over and shake, well, the bees come off first, but usually when you got it in a frame, you turn it over and shake it. If you shake it too hard, the nectar will come off. It just splashed on you.
Okay.
But usually what happens outside of the hive, they work from the center out generally. You'll have honey on the outsides and in the center, and they work it from top to bottom. Typically they'll work their way up in the wintertime, eat all the stores, and then work their way back down in the summertime as they fill it up. Contrary to the way people run beehives, they run them in the opposite directions, basically because it's convenient for the beekeeper.
Okay.
Yeah. It said bucket, so I didn't know if it was a tub or a bucket in it.
Boy, that calms them down right now, doesn't it?
Yeah. They get what they do. They get to eating that, and then they'll get to cleaning each other. The ones that don't come up and eat it all.
By comparison, is this a large hive to other ones you've seen?
It's about average for in a wall.
All right.
Like I said, they typically try to stay within the rafters there. And then we got a little bit of time. As I pull this off here, just roll the nose up and this off. What you see here, these little things that are bumped out in our cat,
Mm-hmm.
those are drone birds. My boy. And then if we get, there's some here that when we pull it out, we'll be able to see it. The ones that are flat, look kind of like that, but they're just not turned out. Those are the workers.
The ones on the left are flat.
These here that are bumped a little bit bigger cell, and they bump them out a little bit because the males are a little bit bigger.
Okay.
And then in here, pull it around. Those there, the flatter ones that aren't bumped out, those are the girls, those are the workers.
Okay.
You got a hat on there, Ryan? It's culminating on your forehead. And the, look at pins here in the way.
Start on the other end and just pull the board back. It's an Africanized bee.
We already know they were African.
There you go, brother. Yeah, I wouldn't be standing here. Okay, she's exposed. Try not to. Yeah, leave it. Leave it. Leave it attached. There we go.
Actually, it does look like a cornhusk. Like a purplish cornhusk. Yeah. That'll be interesting. Okay, that's hiding. See, we need a garbage bag. I'm around here grabbing a garbage bag. I'll slow them down a little bit. We'll start back to the car. The junk out here for any other to start with. Not all the everything else.
They don't like that bag, Ryan. Are you removing sections of the comb now?
Yeah, I'm trying to get the stuff on the side isn't being used very much yet. A few bees on it, putting some nectar in there, but chop that away so you can get at the stuff that's got honey and brood in it better. This one here, I don't know what it is. This one here is all honey, just about a little bit.
Look at that drip off his hands. Look at that.
After that gets going, they don't bother you much. What you got to do is shake as many of them off as you can. Just throw it in there, and you're gonna.
And that's what you keep for eating. Okay.
Crush that out.
Wow.
Come back over here.
Will the whole hive be that way? Full of honey?
The middle will be full of babies.
Okay.
We'll put it here. The thing is, it's a funky. It's going to be hard to take this. Like this one here. We'll get you a frame there, right?
Look at that one.
These things here, these are all wood babies.
Okay.
Not that they're really that beneficial, but...
Well, they hang out with the queen, make little babies, right?
Yeah, well, yeah, exactly.
All right.
And you just kind of stretch them around here.
Turn to the side here, Ryan, so I can get a video of this.
Usually I try to get them a little bit closer than that, but we'll just stretch it in there, put the fan down, hold that straight up and down, so I come over here with another one. Because this one here, we're probably going to need some band narrow down.
Right behind you, on the hive. Raccoons will like what you're leaving behind.
That's for sure. Raccoons just eat the bees. They'll run the home.
Yeah.
Skunks and raccoons, they'll come up to the hive at night and scratch on the front of it.
Uh-huh.
And when the bees come out, they eat them. Dogs like to eat them too. Bill's got a couple dogs that he's out there. We had a hive over his house. First year they were just crushing the bees. I said, no wonder he ain't got no bees going. Okay, this one's kind of interesting. Right in these cells here, if you get real close, you can see there's worms in there. That's what they lay them as eggs. In 3 days they hatch into these worms, and another 7 days they cap these over. Another 7 or 8 days later, they pop out.
Really, that quickly? Okay.
I think total like 14, 28 days, something. Depending upon which one.
Battery low. Okay.
I get my phone out, but it's stuck in my pocket.
All right. Well, it looks like we got most of what we wanted. Appreciate it, guys.
Ready? Yep. Just stick it up in there. Just set it on there. What you want to do is just kind of hold it up here like this. Push it up there. Get ready for bees to start.
They're after me.